Today we explain numerical number 2 which is based on the Kohlrausch law. Question number 2 is given lambda infinitive m 1/3 ferric iron is equal to 68.0 ohm inverse cm square mole inverse. The value of lambda infinitive m 1/2 sulfate iron is equal to 68.0 ohm inverse cm square mole inverse. Calculate the value of lambda infinitive m Fe2 SO4 whole thrice. Question asked, given lambda infinitive m 1/3 ferric iron is equal to 68.0 ohm inverse cm square mole inverse. Lambda infinitive m half sulfate iron is equal to 68.0. Here the value is mistake, which is 80 ohm inverse cm square mole inverse. Calculate the value of lambda infinitive m ferric sulfate. In the question, the value of lambda infinitive m 1/3 ferric iron is equal to 68.0 ohm inverse cm square mole inverse. It is a molar ionic conductivity of ferric ion at infinite dilution. We write lambda infinitive m half sulfate iron is equal to 80.0 ohm inverse cm square mole inverse. Question asked, lambda infinitive m Fe2 SO4 whole thrice is equal to what? These are value of numerical. Now we calculate the value of lambda infinitive m Fe2 SO4 whole thrice. Here we write lambda infinitive m Fe2 SO4 whole thrice. Now we dissociate in positive and negative ion. In the electrolyte, 2 Fe ion are present. Here we write 2 into lambda infinitive m Fe ion, which is ferric ion. Now again explain number of Fe2. Here we write 2. The valency of Fe is 3. Here we write 3 positive charge. It is called ferric ion. We write plus the number of sulfate ion is 3. Here we write 3 into lambda infinitive m SO4 2 minus. We see the value of 68 is 1 by 3 ferric ion, but here 1 by 3 is absent, here 1 by 2, but here 1 by 2 is absent. We write here 1 by 3 and 1 by 2. We write 6 into lambda infinitive m 1 by 3 ferric ion. 3 and 6 cut out by 2, here rest 2 and it is absent and converted into same as 2 into lambda infinitive m ferric ion. Now here we write 6 into lambda infinitive m 1 by 2 sulfate ion. 2 and 6 cut out by 3 and rest 3 it is absent, same as sulfate ion. Now we put the value of lambda infinitive m 1 by 3 ferric ion. The value of lambda infinitive m 1 by 3 ferric ion is equal to 68. Therefore, here we write 68. Now we write 6. The value of lambda infinitive m 1 by 2 sulfate ion is equal to 80. Therefore, we write 80.0. We multiply 8 and 6. We multiply the unit will be ohm inverse Cm square mole inverse. It is the answer. The solution will be hard here. Question 3 is the lambda infinitive m NH4 Cl is 149.6 Simon Cm square mole inverse, and the ionic conductivity, the ionic conductivity of hydroxyl ion and chloride ion are 158.0 and 67.7 Simon Cm square mole inverse respectively. Calculate lambda infinitive m for NH4OH. The question is The lambda infinitive m NH4Cl is 149.6 Simon Cm square mole inverse. It is the value of lambda infinitive m NH4Cl. We write lambda infinitive m NH4Cl is equal to 149.6 Simon Cm square mole inverse. And the ionic conductivity of hydroxyl ion and chloride ions are 150.0 and 76.7 Simon Cm square mole inverse. It is the value of hydroxyl ion. We write here lambda infinitive m hydroxyl ion is equal to 158.00 Simon Cm square at mole inverse. The value of chloride ion, here we write lambda infinitive m Cl minus is equal to 76.7 Simon Cm square mole inverse. These are values of the electrolytes and ions. We question asked lambda infinitive m NH4 OH is equal to what? Here we write lambda infinitive m NH4OH is equal to NH4OH is called ammonium chloride, which is made by ammonium ion and hydroxyl ion. Ammonium ion is positive ion and hydroxyl ion is negative ion. We see ammonium ion present ammonium chloride and hydroxyl ion present here. We add ammonium ion and hydroxyl ion. Here we write lambda infinitive m NH4Cl plus lambda infinitive m OH minus. These are present. Cl removed in the NH4Cl, therefore here we write minus lambda infinitive m Cl minus. This minus indicate the chloride ion removed in the ammonium chloride. Here we write the value of ammonium chloride, which is 149.6. Here we write the value of hydroxyl ion, which is 158.0, and here we write chloride, the value of chloride ion, which is 76.7. Now we add here the value of 6, not 7 here. We subtract 0, 1, answer will be 231.0 Simon Cm square and mole inverse. Next question we write question fourth is Question 4 is at 298 calories, the molar conductance values at infinite dilution of NH4Cl, NaOH and NaClR 129.1, 217.4 and 108.0 Simon Cm square mole inverse respectively. Question asked, calculate the molar conductance of NH4OH at infinite turn. It is a value of NH4Cl. Here we write lambda infinitive m NH4 Cl is equal to 129.1 Simon Cm square mole inverse. This value is NaOH. Here we write lambda infinitive m NaOH is equal to 217.4 Simon Cm square mole inverse. This value is NaCl. Here we write lambda infinitive m NaCl is equal to 108.3 Simon Cm square mole inverse. The question asks the value of lambda infinitive NH4 OH is equal to what? These are present in the question. Now we explain lambda infinitive m NH4 OH. It is made by NH4 and OH. It is a positive radical and it is a negative radical. NH4 present in NH4Cl and OH present in NaOH. These electrolytes are added and get NH4OH. Here we write lambda infinitive m NH4Cl plus lambda infinitive m NaOH. These are add and Na and Cl are removed in the NH4Cl and NaOH. Here we write negative sign and remove lambda infinitive m NaCl. NH4 present is NH4Cl, OH present in NaOH, therefore these are added. Na and Cl remove in the NH4Cl and NaOH, therefore we write negative lambda infinitive NaCl, which indicate Na and Cl remove in the NH4Cl and NaOH minus. Now we put the value of NH4, which is 129.1 plus. Now we put the value of NaOH, which is 217.4. Here we write the value of NaCl, which is 108.3. Now add the value 4 and 1 we get 5, 7 and 9 and 7 we get 16, 2 and 3 and 4, 2 and 3, 1, 4. In it will be Simon, Cm square and mole inverse. These are, it is answer.